sure how to start this, but I'm Sanchita and welcome to my YouTube channel. So, the vibes for these videos are going to be pretty chill, everyday routine, taking it slow, taking one day at a time, and that's how I am as a person, taking everything slow, processing one day at a moment. Um, yeah, so this is how the vibes are going to be for these videos, and today it's not going to be any different from any other day because New York is expecting snowstorm this weekend. It's 11 a.m. in the morning, and it's pretty snowy out there. um I think that these conditions are going to be, last till Monday evening. So we're gonna stay in, and you know what? I kind of love these days where just take things at your own pace, not to worry about rushing, and watch some movies, make some hot noodle soupy bowl, and stay in bed all day, do nothing. When we have days like this or weekends like this where you cannot step outside, um it kind of gives introverts like a free pass, to rest in and not feel guilty. I used to think that I needed to always be doing something exciting and to be on the go, but then as I mature, I felt, you know there's no need to rush. Take your time, take your moment, um and proceed your day with what you're feeling for, what you want to do. So yeah, I decided to go with my feelings, with my guts, with my energies. So that's how I tried to proceed my day with. So I was trying to make a comparison video for myself, like how the city was like, a day before the storm came in, and compare like how bright it was yesterday, sunny, what a pleasant day. It was definitely colder, but today, the clarity is almost zero. You can't see anything at all, and it's just all blurry. So it's kind of funny, like how within few hours, the weather kind of turned around, and you woke up in a winter wonderland, which is kind of nice. And a very that's the feeling about having winter season. So I think I'm gonna enjoy that feeling. I generally like to order my grocery stores at home. I'm a person who don't like to step outside for groceries. I do that very rarely when I need a very specific item or I'm trying something very new. But generally I like to order in and save my energies and efforts for not going out. So yeah, yesterday I went to pick up my groceries and it was so chaotic, so messed up. Everyone was rushing in and out to grab items. Things were out of stock. So it was definitely crazy and funny, and it definitely felt like, a big disaster is coming. So, be ready. But honestly, I felt the opposite. I think it's perfect time to, you know, do your stuff, what you wanted to do for so long, maybe rest in, finish up any series that was waiting for you, and take a relaxing bath, and yeah, just take care of yourself, self-care. That's the point. It's getting pretty intense outside. I can literally see it. The snow is kind of piling up, and I hope no one gets affected today or tomorrow because we have a weekday tomorrow. It's Monday, so I don't know how bad it's going to be, but it's definitely getting worse. So yeah, I'm just hoping for the best. Um, yeah, so I think for now I'm gonna wind up my tea, and I think I'm gonna lay in bed. I think watch some television show, I guess. um I made some noodle soup last night, so I'm gonna have that, keep myself warm again. And yeah, I think I'm gonna enjoy rest of my day, relaxing, unwinding, prepping for the week. And yeah, I think that's what I'm hoping for.